Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today we will learn spider web stitch. For this stitch I have drawn a center dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 dots in a circle. The dots in the circle should be in odd numbers. It may be 5 or more. To start, we will bring the needle in the center point and make a stitch from center point to the dots outside in the circle. In each dot we should put one stitch from the center so that we will be getting 7 spoke like stitches from the center of the circle. I have made this in red color thread and I will make the spider web in green color so that the stitch will be very clear for you. Now I have finished all the stitches and now start another color thread in the center and just insert the thread through the spokes alternatively. See, I am inserting here. Next we leave the next spoke and go to the other one. Again leave the next stitch and insert through the other spoke. So we insert the needle alternately in the spokes like this. For inserting, you can turn your needle and insert so that it will be easier for you. Every time you leave one spoke and go to the next spoke. Now web is coming in the center. We do not pick any fabric with this green thread. We are just passing the thread in the stitches like this. As much as possible and finally you just bring the thread below like this and finish it. And this is the back view of the stitch. The final effect of the stitch resembles a spider web and so the name. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links given in the description box. If you like this video, share with your friends. To learn more stitches, like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.